YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're at the Pantages theater, trying to pick up some tickets. So right now I'm trying to pick up my wife and my son. They are buying some theater ticket, and then right there, Pantages Theater. So we're at the Hollywood Boulevard right now, and we're gonna head to Grove later on. So catch up with you guys later. We just got here at the Grove. This is the Michael Kors. We got so many stores that we're gonna visit.
They probably check it. They go, oh, there's nothing wrong with it. Then how come it dropped? And then I plug it in.
So I'm walking out the Apple store. This is second stairs. They got a nice glass steps. So I'm gonna fix her battery. Wow, look at that, it's cracked.
I'm looking at this whole week of usage right now.
Location services?
Yeah, so this is the usage over the past week. All of them, in terms of what's being used the most, Instagram messages at that almost.
My Instagram and my MLB. Well, that's all.
Put this out. Put it out. Like a telescope. Huh?
What could it be then?